2006 National Tropical T391 LX for sale in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. 53217. Spread your wings and fly with this 2006 National Tropical T391 LX. This Class A motorhome is 39 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Caterpillar turbo diesel pusher engine mated with an automatic transmission that offers an impressive 350 horsepower. This RV has 4 slide-outs, 2 awnings, and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 8 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with captain's chairs, hydraulic leveling system, exhaust brakes, color rear and side cameras, and driver and passenger powered visors plus a 2-speed overhead dash fans. With only 44,000 miles, you can rest assured that this National will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2006 National Tropical T391 LX is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include solid surface countertops, 3-burner StoveConvection microwave, 2-door refrigerator/freezer with ice maker, double kitchen sink, convertible dinette, 2 televisions, DVD/CD/stereo, Wineguard in motion, satellite, leather futon couch, full bathroom with shower, toilet, sink, washer/dryer combo, master queen size bed, full-size master closet, 100-gallon fuel tank, 8 kW Onan Diesel Generator, 50 amp service with 30-foot power cord, Xantrex inverter/charger, passenger power footrest, power mirrors, tilt/telescoping steering, power step, well cover, push button entry door and living room, Awnings, 2 separate zone heating and AC, gas/electric water heater, full pass-through slide storage with lighted compartment, outside shower, and so much more. This 2006 National Tropical T391 LX is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded National Tropical is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2006 National Tropical T391 LX.